In the spirit of the new year, 2024, think upon Epictetus' profound words. Associate with those who elevate you, individuals whose presence draws out your finest qualities. You're the average of the 10 people you spend the most time with. You've probably heard that saying, and today, as we stand on the cusp of a new chapter, we're delving into it through the Stoic lens. Together, we'll explore the 10 types of people who can derail your progress in Stoic philosophy, and why it's crucial to reconsider your friendships with them. Before we embark on this transformative journey, I'd appreciate it if you could express your support by liking this video. Your support fuels my mission to spread the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and activating the bell so you don't miss any thought-provoking content in 2024. Now, let's start with the first type of person to be cautious about. In your journey through Stoicism, toxic individuals. Picture your life as a garden, where your dreams and aspirations are delicate blossoms. Toxic individuals, unfortunately, are like weeds that threaten the vitality of your garden. In the garden of your life, these individuals spread negativity, drain your energy, and stunt your personal growth. They might be the naysayers, the perpetual complainers, or those who thrive on drama. But fear not, Stoicism teaches us the power of cultivating our inner strength, of choosing who we allow into our sacred space. Surround yourself with those who water your dreams, not those who cast shadows on them. Choose friends who uplift you, inspire you, and encourage your journey toward becoming the best version of yourself. In the garden of Stoicism, let your friendships be the sunlight that nurtures your resilience, allowing you to weather life's storms with unwavering strength. So, as we navigate the landscape of friendship in Stoicism, remember, prune the weeds, nurture the flowers, and let your garden thrive. Stay tuned as we explore more Stoic insights on building a circle that elevates your spirit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for a continuous flow of inspiration on your journey. Together, we'll cultivate a life of wisdom and resilience. Moving on to the second type of individuals to be mindful of in the realm of Stoic friendships, dishonest individuals. Imagine trust as the foundation of a sturdy house. You are building the walls, the roof. Everything relies on it. Dishonest individuals are like termites, silently gnawing away at that foundation. In Stoicism, honesty is a cornerstone. Dishonesty not only erodes trust, but also disrupts the tranquility of your mental space. It's crucial to surround yourself with people whose words align with their actions. Individuals who contribute to the stability of your philosophical abode. Consider the impact of dishonesty on your personal growth. Stoicism encourages us to pursue virtue and wisdom, and this journey is hindered by deceit. Choose friends who are architects of character. Construct their relationships with transparency and integrity. As we navigate the Stoic path, let's be vigilant in selecting companions who uphold the pillars of honesty. These are the allies who fortify the structure of our principles, allowing us to stand resilient in the face of life's challenges. Stay tuned for more Stoic insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue building the foundations of wisdom together. Let's explore the third type of individuals that Stoicism urges us to approach with caution: manipulative individuals. Picture your life as a ship navigating through the vast sea of experiences. Manipulative individuals are like turbulent waters, attempting to alter your course for their own gain. In the philosophy of Stoicism, autonomy is prized. Manipulation, however, disrupts the course of your personal voyage, steering you away from the harbor of virtue. It's vital to be surrounded by friends whose compass aligns with your moral north, individuals who support rather than divert your journey. Consider the impact of manipulation on your Stoic principles. To cultivate wisdom, we must sail our ship with clear intentions and a steadfast moral compass. Choose companions who navigate their own vessels with honor. understanding that each ship contributes to the harmony of the sea. In the vast expanse of Stoic philosophy, it's choose friends who sail beside us, their intentions pure and their guidance uplifting. These are the comrades who enhance our journey, steering us towards the shores of virtue. Stay tuned for more Stoic wisdom, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we navigate the seas of philosophy together. Now, let's delve into the fourth type of individuals to approach with caution on our Stoic journey: users or takers. Picture your life as a communal garden, where everyone contributes seeds of kindness, support, and growth. Users and takers, unfortunately, are those who only harvest without sowing, leaving the garden barren. In Stoicism, reciprocity is a fundamental principle. Friendships are meant to be a mutual exchange, a flourishing ecosystem of shared experiences and support. It's essential to cultivate relationships with individuals who contribute as much as they receive, fostering an environment where everyone's garden can thrive. Consider the impact of one-sided friendships on your Stoic ideals. To live in accordance with nature, as Stoicism advocates, is to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. Choose friends who understand the beauty of shared responsibility, creating a garden where everyone contributes to the collective well-being. As we stroll through the gardens of Stoic philosophy, let's be mindful of the seeds we sow and those we allow to take root. Surround yourself with friends who understand the essence of reciprocity, cultivating a lush and harmonious space. Stay tuned for more Stoic insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to nurture the gardens of wisdom together. Now, the fifth type of individuals that Stoicism advises us to be wary of: unreliable individuals. Imagine your life as a grand tapestry, woven with threads of commitments, trust, and dependability. Unreliable individuals are like loose threads, threatening to unravel the intricate design of your life. In Stoicism, reliability is a virtue. Our actions and promises should be as steadfast as the principles we uphold. It's crucial to surround yourself with friends who weave the fabric of their lives with dependability, creating a tapestry of trust and mutual support. Consider the impact of unreliability on your Stoic journey. To live in harmony with the cosmic order, as Stoicism teaches, is to honor our commitments and be dependable. Choose friends who understand the importance of reliability, for they are the weavers of a tapestry that withstands the tests of time. As we navigate the intricate patterns of Stoic philosophy, let's seek friends whose threads intertwine seamlessly with ours, creating a tapestry of shared values and steadfast support. Stay tuned for more Stoic wisdom, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to weave the fabric of virtue together. Now, let's explore the sixth type of individuals that Stoicism encourages us to approach with discernment: unsupportive individuals. Envision your life as a challenging ascent up a mountain. Unsupportive individuals are like unstable rocks on your path, hindering your climb towards self-improvement and virtue. In Stoicism, support and encouragement are essential elements of a well-traveled path. It's crucial to surround yourself with friends who act as sturdy companions, helping you navigate the rugged terrain of life. Choose individuals whose presence propels you forward, rather than creating obstacles along the way. Consider the impact of unsupportiveness on your Stoic endeavors. To strive for excellence, as Stoicism advocates, is to have a supportive community that fosters growth and resilience. Choose friends who understand the significance of encouragement, for they are the fellow climbers on the ascent of virtue. As we ascend the peaks of Stoic philosophy, let's choose friends whose encouragement acts as a reliable guide, helping us navigate the challenges and savor the triumphs. Stay tuned for more Stoic insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue our ascent towards wisdom together. Now, let's delve into the seventh type of individuals that Stoicism encourages us to be mindful of: drama seekers. Picture your life as a serene lake, reflecting the clarity of Stoic principles. Drama seekers are like ripples that disturb the tranquility, creating unnecessary turbulence in the waters of your existence. In Stoicism, inner peace is treasured. Drama seekers, on the other hand, thrive on turbulence, creating waves that disrupt the stillness of your philosophical reflection. It's vital to surround yourself with friends who appreciate the calm and understand the value of a peaceful and focused mind. Consider the impact of drama on your Stoic journey. To live in harmony with the rational order of the universe, as Stoicism teaches, is to maintain a calm and composed demeanor. Choose friends who align with this principle, for they are the ones who contribute to the tranquil waters of your life. As we navigate the serene lakes of Stoic philosophy, let's choose companions whose presence enhances the stillness rather than disturbs it. Stay tuned for more Stoic wisdom, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to cultivate the peaceful waters of wisdom together. Now, let's explore the eighth type of individuals that Stoicism urges us to approach with caution: fair weather friends. Envision your life as a journey, a path that weaves through both sunny meadows and stormy weather. Fair weather friends are those who only join you during the sunshine, disappearing when the clouds gather. In Stoicism, constancy is esteemed. Friendships are meant to endure the changing seasons of life, providing support and companionship regardless of external circumstances. It's crucial to surround yourself with friends who stand by you through both the bright days of joy and the darker nights of challenge. Consider the impact of fair weather friendships on your Stoic principles. To live in accordance with nature, as Stoicism advocates, is to embrace the ebb and flow of life's experiences. Choose friends who understand the beauty of enduring friendships, for they are the companions who add richness to the tapestry of your existence. As we traverse the diverse landscapes of Stoic philosophy, let's seek friends whose loyalty withstands the tests of time and circumstance. Stay tuned for more Stoic insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to journey through the seasons of wisdom together. Now, the ninth type of individuals that Stoicism advises us to approach with caution: insensitive individuals. Picture your life as a symphony, a composition of emotions, experiences, and connections. Insensitive individuals are like discordant notes that disrupt the harmony, threatening the beauty of your life's melody. In Stoicism, empathy is cherished. Insensitivity, however, disrupts the harmony of understanding and compassion. It's vital to surround yourself with friends who resonate with the emotional chords of your existence. Individuals who understand the power of kindness and empathy. Consider the impact of insensitivity on your Stoic journey. To live in accordance with virtue, as Stoicism teaches, is to cultivate compassion and understanding. Choose friends who appreciate the importance of emotional intelligence, for they are the ones who contribute to the symphony of your life, with resonance and compassion. As we navigate the intricate movements of the Stoic symphony, let's seek friends whose empathy adds depth and richness to our shared experiences. Stay tuned for more Stoic wisdom, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to compose the symphony of virtue together. Now, let's explore the 10th type of individuals that Stoicism advises us to approach with caution: disrespectful individuals. Envision your life as a grand tapestry of respect and mutual understanding. Disrespectful individuals are like unraveled threads, threatening to weaken the fabric of your relationships and personal integrity. In Stoicism, respect is paramount. Disrespect undermines the foundation of virtuous living. It's essential to surround yourself with friends who uphold the principles of courtesy and understanding. Individuals who contribute to the strength and integrity of the ethical tapestry you weave. Consider the impact of disrespect on your Stoic journey. To live in accordance with reason and virtue, as Stoicism teaches, is to foster an environment of respect and mutual regard. Choose friends who understand the significance of treating others with dignity, for they are the weavers of a tapestry marked by harmony and integrity. As we navigate the intricate patterns of Stoic philosophy, let's seek friends whose respect fortifies the fabric of our moral principles. Stay tuned for more Stoic insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to weave the tapestry of virtue together. In conclusion, as we traverse the rich landscapes of Stoic philosophy, it becomes evident that the choice of friends profoundly influences our journey towards wisdom and virtue. From toxic individuals to disrespectful acquaintances, Stoicism guides us to be discerning in our connections. Remember, our friendships shape the very fabric of our lives, impacting our resilience, character, and the pursuit of a virtuous existence. Let us embrace the Stoic teachings that encourage us to surround ourselves with individuals who elevate our spirits, uphold honesty, and contribute positively to the symphony of our lives. By cultivating relationships with those who embody Stoic virtues, we fortify the foundations of our philosophical abode. As we continue on this journey together, exploring the nuances of Stoicism, let each friendship be a testament to the principles we hold dear. Your engagement, likes, and subscriptions not only support this channel, but also contribute to the shared pursuit of wisdom. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, may your path be adorned with friendships that illuminate the Stoic virtues in your life.